Is your .NET Framework apps broken by the Sharpziplib DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Access the official Sharpziplib diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Sharpziplib compression module. It provides unmanaged routines for ZIP, GZIP, and tar archive orchestration, facilitating the data link for localized .NET application manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. To resolve this, keep in mind that Sharpziplib.dll is typically installed with .NET Framework. Reinstalling the latest version of .NET Framework from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Sharpziplib file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Sharpziplib.dll from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Sharpziplib and PC health. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Sharpziplib remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.